Natural human movements are the things that we discover at the intersection between life, our work and labour, food production. So here's like an example. On the weekend I needed to clean out a sort of a sitting area that had become a bit overrun with grass and weed. And as I was doing it, I realised that all of the movements that I would practice in a movement workout were present. I squatted down low to the floor. I got my hands down in the dirt. My feet were bare feet. I felt all the texture of the ground and the sand. I used my hands to pull out small weeds using fine motor skills. The sun came out. I was bathed in vitamin D. And the day continued. I lifted and I carried. I squatted more. It felt like a groundwork combo. I moved tables. The day wore on. I got fascinated with sweeping the sand out between the cracks and the rocks. I felt a kind of a flow, almost meditative, just thinking of nothing else except the sand between the rocks. I climbed over things. I crawled around on the ground. I smelt the earth. I felt all kinds of textures with my hands and the soles of my feet. I had a visitor who wanted to share with me his movement experiences. This little activity had everything in it that you would want. I prepared for a dinner. I cleaned up. This was my favourite. Getting my feet in a cold bucket of soapy water and scrubbing all the dirt off. It felt fantastic. I'd recommend maybe a soapstone or something if you do this one, a pummel stone. And then prepared dinner with the family. Then we ate outside. And as the sun descended, the candles still flickered, and I had time to sit in quiet, or kind of quiet. A perfect, natural human movement session.